What's up, guys, and welcome back to Athena's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this 400EX Frankenstein thing that I'm going to be attempting to build. Let's get right into it. Okay, so a couple of my buddies had this frame and this lower bottom end to a 400EX. This is a 400EX frame. I mean, what you see is literally what I got here. I got it for free. They thankfully gave it to me, so shout out to them. This thing needs a lot of work, but my plan is to try and get it all pieced back together and hopefully have a 400EX to ride. It's going to be quite a bit of a Frankenstein type build because this is an 05 frame, I believe, is what he said, and this is an 02 bottom end of the motor, so I'm going to have a new top end, and as you can see, the oil from this motor leaked out everywhere. It's missing some things, but and it will, some of the bearings need to be replaced, which kind of out of my comfort zone on a motor. I've never broken the bottom end open on one, so I just wanted to show you what it looked like before I go any further. This is what we're working with here. I got a fuel tank, half of the front plastics here, a seat, all four wheels, the axles, it's missing some brakes. The frame looks decent. I don't think it's too bad. And again, the lower half of a motor. So I'm gonna try to clean out everything. I got my pressure washer out. I'm gonna clean all this stuff up and put it, just kind of really just clean it up is all I'm trying to say. The frame's painted up there, but I just want to get it nice and organized and clean before I pull anything else out, because it's really oily and nasty and I don't want to have to mess with this stuff while it's dirty like this. So I just wanted to show you guys and kind of bring you along before I clean it all up, just because I normally get too excited with these projects. But this is going to be a bigger one for me because, like I said, I've never actually done anything like this. So let's see how it goes. I figured the best place to clean it would be back here because the front wheels are barely hanging on, and obviously the rear wheels aren't on at all. The axle's not even on, so figured might as well just leave it back here and try to clean this thing up. Let's try this for the third time. This is the third time trying to record this video, having too many problems. Let's keep it short, simple. Update on this 400 project. I'm not sure where I wanted to end this video. I'm probably just going to end it where I show you guys what I've bought and then start a new video and like the actual build. 05 frame, 99 to 04 bottom end, got from my buddy. Got this stuff here, got the rear axle and wheels. Now, yesterday I went out and I got a rear plastics and seats in pretty good condition other than the cover, which easily replaced. So along with the seat and stuff, I got two new front wheels, and then come in here, I got a new bottom end from this guy, all for 200 bucks. They said they had the side covers. It didn't come with a clutch basket, which is fine. I figured I would pull it off of this one because this one, the rod crank bearing is seized. I mean, you can't move this thing. Only problem so far is this one shifts fine sitting here like this, 1 neutral all the way up to 5. This one I can't shift up past 3. Not sure if it's because it's extremely dirty, which, I mean, this thing is toasted, but it is smooth. There's no play in the rod. I mean, it moves slowly. There's no up and down movement whatsoever in the rod. There is a little side wiggle, which I think is pretty decent. It's okay, it's normal. Also, they said they had a side cover, which is something that I needed, and this is what they gave me. This is for a 450R, a Honda 450R. This is not the cover, and oh well. They also gave me a Chinese cylinder and an OEM piston over there. My buddy, I also went yesterday and got some more parts for this thing. He had some extra stuff laying around. I have the rear caliper like mount here, the brake, and this thing. He gave me a valve cover. It's broken, the mount is broken, but the rockers and everything are still good. So I got that. I got the airbox air filter. I also got the, over here, exhaust, the stock exhaust. So, and the guy I bought yesterday gave me the handlebars. So all in all, I got $200 so far into this thing, and I'm pretty sure that's not too bad. I did order a carrier bearing, so that was like 45 bucks, and I did order the rear linkage for the swing arm and shock. So I got that stuff coming. My plan is to get this frame to rolling, like a roller, and then work my way from there. It's gonna need several things on there, the rear brake. It's gonna need a new wiring harness. There's handlebars. There's a lot of stuff that I need to do to the frame first, and I probably should work on the motor, but just in my head, I wanna work on the frame and get this thing rolling so I can get it out of my driveway a lot easier than where it's at now. It's going to be kind of a Frankenstein build with a bunch of newer and older parts, different colors like you can see there. It's going to be goofy, but that's okay. So I'm probably going to start the actual build portion of this thing here in a second, or like the next video that I post. I just wanted to give an update on where I'm at and what I'm doing with this because I haven't posted about it. I've had it here for about 2 weeks or so and haven't done anything with it other than try to find parts. So that's where we're at with that. If you guys want to follow along this 400EX build that I'm going to attempt to do, stick around, consider subscribing, like this video, because I'm going to have several videos coming out for this thing. I'm going to try to do the bottom end, the top end, and obviously this frame. My goal priority right now is this frame. This is what I'm going to attempt to try to get going. I want to get this thing rolling so I can get it to my backyard a lot easier than it is right now, pull it into my garage, all that kind of stuff. So if you guys want to follow along this build, consider subscribing. If you want to help support the channel, like the video, leave a comment down below what you guys think. Let me know what you think about that bottom end not shifting above third. I mean, it could be because it's dirty. The thing was sitting in a barn on the floor, like a lean-to shed. It's got dirt and all kinds of crap in it. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to help support the channel a step further, consider becoming a member, 99 cents a month, early access to my videos. Most of the time, if I remember, and I need to post a members only video. But other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching. Follow this build with me. Follow along. I can't talk. It's really hot out already. And that's it. Have a good one. Bye.